Hi everyone, Elvira's back. Sorry about that, I hit the button, so. But there it goes. Look at how creamy, look at that. Isn't that a nice gravy? So, let's adjust our calorie count now. So, we're going to adjust it, but it's not going to be that much because I already know, because I've had to do this before. 95. So it's still just 1 calorie. So it's 5 calories per tablespoon, and then 26 divided by. So it's going to be 2 for the carbs, and the rest is 0. So that's still not bad. That's still good. And if you really were looking at for the whole meal, 242, 478, and then say 2 tablespoons, 10. That's 488. Carb-wise, we're at 42, 2, 110 in carbs. Fat, 17. Wait. Anyway, carbs would be 6. 48, and be 50 in carbs. Fat would be 3, and 20 would be 20, and protein would be 28, or 28, and 28.95. Not too bad for a Sunday meal. It's pretty good. God bless everybody. I will see you next week with another healthy recipe. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.